Keep your eyes closed, don't turn them on, innit? You ready, yeah? Right, here is your surprise, yeah? He doesn't know. Oh my days! An ep.2 Type-R K20, bro! Yes. No way, is this ours? Yeah. Peter's Auto Repair always coming through. Peter's Auto Repair. Nice. And what about you? Lovely. Some cars are made to go from A to B. Others drifted sideways in a car park. But the car I have here was designed to be thrashed around a racetrack and bring a smile to the face of thousands who build, drive and modify them daily. Our story starts here with this neglected Japanese dragon, the ep.2 Civic Type-R. The first Civic Type-R was released in 1997 in the form of the ferocious EK9. Since then, there have been 6 generations, with this one being the third.
Hardcore Honda lovers really take care of their cars. However, this car is not the greatest example of that. Let me show you all the bad bits. Firstly, these alloys are crusty, dusty and rusty. And the brake calipers have also been seized.
They're not being seized, they're not under arrest.
Yeah, the brake calipers are also seized. The inner and outer arches are also missing or damaged from all the wheels. There's also scuffs, scratches and sun damage all over the paint. Both headlights have oxidized, and as you can see over here, the car's been in some sort of collision. And not to mention, I have no idea what the this is. Getting into the car, we can see that it's really dirty. It feels like it's never been cleaned. Also, this clutch pedal seems to be really stiff, so it must be some sort of cylinder issue. Now let's pop the hood and look at some of the good bits.
Underneath the bonnet we have Honda's 2-litre K20 Z4. Now this is a 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine pushing out 201 brake horsepower at the front wheels. Both aluminium head and block, this dual overhead cam engine engages VTEC at 5400 RPM. It may not be the cheapest Civic in the world, but it was the cheapest Civic the team could find on the day. For just £1,200, you could pick up an iconic track car. In terms of performance, this engine is known for its high revving nature and power output. So with a working engine and semi-clean panels, this car has a lot of potential and we've got a lot of plans for it. No!
We don't know how long this car's been sitting, so we're just going to do a quick oil change, just get the car running like smoothly. Let's tackle that. I don't even have the keys, but yeah. Give me the key for it. This is a key for a Type-R Civic.
It's a work in progress, alright? I'm waiting for the replacement car.
This is ridiculous.
I think the battery's dead.
Let's give it a crank. Come on, you. Right, so I don't know how long the oil's been in this car, so I'm gonna put some engine flush in it and just clear out all the gunk. Alright, so now that we put the engine flush in, we're just gonna let this idle. This is man.
Smell the flush in there, you can smell it, it's cleaned it out. That's it.
Just let that.
Right, so let's diagnose this puppy. Other than the obvious cosmetics, this wheel doesn't spin at all. That is not what you want to typically see. That whole shock absorber is covered. That shock has literally exploded is the word and just pissed out everywhere. It also seems like we need new ball joints, and these bushes are shot that come with the back. So we may as well basically replace the whole arm, disc pad at the front, shocks, coils, full front rebuild basically. There's obviously some more questionable damage over here. The brakes could do with the change. These shocks are pretty shot. The springs are all right. But what is the main concern? This bush over here. All in all, it's not too bad. I thought we were definitely in for some nasty surprises underneath here, but yeah.
So that wraps up today's video. The boys did manage to get through quite a few things, but before we sign off this video now, I want to go through some of your guys' suggestions with Darshan.
Obvious debate, supercharge or turbo variant, what do you think?
I'm saying hybrid turbo all the way.
Yeah?
Definitely, without a doubt, there's no discussion. If you want to,
I think you're right on that one.
take it down to Gary as well, at GCAP.
Well, he's the right guy.
He's the best.
I think,
He's the best in the world.
Get the turbo through grand. Overall, I think the suspension is very bad on this and the brakes.
So performance suspension, and some obviously performance brakes is what we need to check off first.
Yeah, definitely. I think
But
that's the address.
I want to discuss one thing in particular right now. That's here. Super long exhaust. I'm talking like an umbrella exhaust with like 6 pipes coming out of the back, going out and it's just spitting flames. What do you mean? That is when have you seen
one simple big cannon coming out the back, Jap, Bosch. I'm telling you, trust me.
Why? The truck horn.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm saying big, not. No. I'm saying the traditional Indian truck horn. No. That.
No.
I want to be here.
Okay.
Colour, I reckon we stay red. We don't go away from red.
Really?
We keep it red all the way through. The interior is really nice. It's beautiful. It's red. The outside is red. Obviously, we'll give it a fresh lick of paint.
Really?
Yeah.
You want to keep it red?
Definitely.
I see a lot of orange.
Nope.
I see a lot of yellow.
Yep. But I'm looking at red.
Nah, people really want to give us a lot of work to do.
How would we possibly monster truck this?
I mean, everything is monster truckable, but it's about time,
Lift kit,
money.
bigger wheels. Might even have to cut away some of the
You have to
bumper,
cut off a
whatnot.
lot.
You could easily cut this off and turn it into a truck bed. Just build a frame to go around the back.
Now you're talking like different languages and different.
But just,
do you know how much madness and how many contacts and how many favors we're gonna have to call in?
give me a saw, I can cut it.
Bro, this isn't
It's just got no faith.
cupboard.
It's got no.
This is no cupboard, Varen.
Pick the next suggestion. Okay.
Definitely a wide body. But hold
Okay.
up, I have seen a lot of people talking about engine swap, but this is a beautiful engine. Why would I want to remove this engine?
No, you got to keep this one.
This can
what do you
put out
want?
too
Give me a
much
figure.
power.
How high do you want this thing to go?
I don't want to be greedy and say 1,000, so I'm just gonna be like 7, 8.
He doesn't want to be greedy. 1,000. You know what, Darshan? I remember at Shedfest, someone mentioned they wanted to take this down the off-road path.
Yeah.
I get off-road. I don't want to be hopping hills. No. I want to go rally racing with this, and we can all learn how to do that.
Nah. This is a track monster.
No,
You
it's
need to learn
definitely a
how to
rally
take
car.
this round or track.
Seen this with rally. Look, boys.
Track, rally.
There you go. 2 against 1.
No, what are you talking about? 2 against 2, bro.
No, the cameraman has to say it. It's 2. You won.
There's 2 because of the people.
Yeah. He's got a camera. We're going rally. We're going rally. Brit doesn't have a say. Going back to the turbo, I know I mentioned it many times before, and I know, but I'm saying, F off one of the headlights and have it coming out of there.
Oh, yes,
bro. I'm telling you, we need to do that.
Yes.
I don't even mind removing half the car just to get that as big as possible.
Well, that's a Mad Max conversion right there. That's something I've always wanted to do.
Ooh.
Strip it.
Just strip it and have bars everywhere.
And we have to have those like dangling rods and.
But I mean, it'll be so annoying driving around this country because it's so cold, as you can see.
But maybe in the future, it could be another project.
Get a skull here instead of the Honda badge, and then paint like a red H on the skull's forehead. I'm so creative.
Wow. God help us all.
Seeing as, we are all Beamer boys, I'm saying I will personally figure out how to get the mirror caps on here.
What are you talking about?
You know, the little carbon.
Oh, no, come on, man.
Please,
no, not on this,
you know I love
this.
them.
Bro, one day, this car is going to be in a plexiglass in a museum.
And imagine it in that glass, in the museum, but with angel eyes and mirror caps. You guys at home, let us know what you think. Do you want to see this Honda with angel eyes? But that does sum up today's video, and thank you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a like, rating and subscribe. If you have any other suggestions, maybe you couldn't make it to Shed-Fest and you do want to give us some of your cool ideas, just drop them down in the comment section below. What? Excuse me. I wasn't finished.
Come and look at this.
I hope this was worth it.
And this person wants us to put a Mr. Bean chair at the top of this car and drive it. Can you imagine that?
That's easy. Get a chair, just bolt it on there.
Okay.
Well, even weld like the little brackets, put the chair on, drill.
How many seconds will it take for someone to die?
We will calculate this on the next episode.